What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Masters. Today we're going to be installing the Dorkidori Type X rear spats. And this is what the part looks like. We're going to go ahead and mock this up on the car. Looks like it actually fits pretty well, and there are indents on there for mounting locations, so we're going to go ahead and drill those out. With those holes drilled out on the spats, we're going to go ahead and open up these mounting locations just a tad bit so I can use the rib inserts. So I can use a Rivitnut there and use some 10 mils to mount this onto the car. With the rib nuts installed, we're going to go ahead and mount the side spats onto the car and see where it lines up. And I think they fit pretty well on the car without any modifications. Now it looks like the rear part that mounts to the bumper needs to be drilled out, so we're going to go ahead and remove that, drill that out, and try to mark where it should match up to the rear of the bumper. With that marked off, we're going to go ahead and remove the rear spats and use the drill bit and open up these holes on the rear mounting point. With the rear mounting point drilled out, we're going to go ahead and mock this back up onto the car and see where it lines up to the rear bumper and drill a hole out into the rear bumper so we can permanently affix this to the rear bumper. And this is what the side spats look like on the car. You're going to repeat the same steps on the other side of the car. With the side completed, we're going to go ahead and do the center portion. There are 3 mounting locations on the center piece. There's one tab on each side and one in the middle that holds it centered. So we're going to go ahead and drill these out. This concludes our install for the Dorkidori side spats and center piece on the rear. With everything mocked up and fitting pretty good, we're going to go ahead and remove this one more time and bring it to paint. Thanks for watching.